In today's video, we're going to be visiting TKGT Cars, or Trust Kikaku, which is a specialty parts supplier out of Japan who specializes in Nissan parts. Let's go tour their facility and see what they have to offer. If you guys are in search for Skyline GT-R parts, these guys have what you'll need. You guys hear that? That's what I've been dealing with for the last couple of days. So this is my hotel room. Today's actually the day that I'm leaving, but it's in a very sketchy area. I'll show you guys outside, but you guys might get a kick of this, but for you guys who know who UP Garage is, this is Doug's tuning laptop. I'm bringing this thing back to UP Garage because Matt took an airplane and he can't have all the stuff that he's carrying on, so I'm bringing like a whole trunk load back of stuff for him. So that's my room, 226. Looking down the balcony adjacent to my room. So it's here. But here's kind of a sketchy elevator. Like getting inside, like you don't feel like you're at any fancy place. So yeah guys, coming out of the front of the hotel, my room was right up there on that corner balcony. And then walked over here to McDonald's last night. Homeless person outside at the front of the store, talking to herself at the door when you walk in. And then I go inside the restaurant to just get a snack because I was hungry after yesterday and there's really not much around here. But there was another homeless dude who was also high. It looked like he was tweaking on meth from like my experience working in law enforcement and being around high people on drugs. He's bent over the front counter, sitting there like tweaking his hands and talking to himself. And I'm standing there thinking like, man, I feel like I'm back at work in the jail and just waiting for something to happen, you know, and it was somewhat kind of exciting, but you know, luckily everything, you know, was good and peaceful and nothing happened. The people left and I got my food, went home and went to sleep. So this is the front security window, so that gives you signs it's not a good area. Well, good morning guys. We are gonna hop in the 2022 WRX and we're gonna head off to Trust Kikaku TKGT Cars here in Huntington Beach, California. And we're gonna go pick up an order of parts for the R32 GT-R, as well as a very special item, which I'll show you when we get there. I don't wanna reveal it right now. So right now we're actually on our way to pick up Matt from UP Garage. He's going to be coming to TKGT Cars with me as well, and then I'm going to be giving him a ride to the airport so he can head back to Seattle. So let's go grab Matt over from the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. Thank you so much. Nothing better than starting off the day with some McDonald's. So this is where we were last night, guys. Knott's Berry Farm. I had my camera in there, but after filming so much stuff at Top Rank and meeting everybody in the last few days, I was so overwhelmed and just like completely exhausted for being sunburnt. I'm from Seattle, I'm not used to the sun down here. So Knott's Berry Farm Hotel, much nicer place. So yeah guys, the Good Night Inn, definitely a little sketch. I'd stay clear from that area. Well guys, we're at TKGT Cars. I've got Matt with UP Garage here.
Hey guys.
We had fun last night going to Knott's Berry Farm. If you guys aren't familiar with TKGT, you may know them as Trust Kikaku, which if you guys view any of Salmon's content on YouTube over in Japan, he did a full tour of the company with Hannah and everything, so you guys check out those videos. But this is their branch over here in the US.
Hi guys. So yeah, I mean, you pretty much just got done explaining to you guys what we're all about. This is our US branch here of Trust Kikaku. So if you guys know Trust Kikaku, we specialize in mostly Skyline parts, GT-R parts, but we do carry a variety of other like JDM like car parts, so some Chaser stuff, some Soarer stuff, Supra stuff, so kind of anything you guys need. And if we don't have it in the warehouse, we can get it special ordered from our team in Japan. So it's pretty cool just being able to get all these parts here for you guys and being able to help out your builds.
What is all in these boxes? Like those are obviously front bumpers.
Right. So here we've got like GT-R, these are 34 rear quarter panels, 32 rear quarter panels.
Oh wow.
Yeah, these are like the door frames on the 34 GT-Rs. So
okay.
Like, yeah. That whole outer frame where your door would close. You got those.
That's
here.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably stuff that nobody else has anywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Not without having the connections that you guys have overseas.
Definitely.
And then what are all these, are those glass?
Those are all fenders.
Oh, fenders.
So various, I think 33 and 34 fenders.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What was your name again?
Octavio.
Octavio, I thought that's what it was.
Yeah.
I'm Josh again, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Already chatted with you a bunch. See you guys have transmission cross members.
Yeah.
Well, cool. Yeah, just gonna take a peek around and then grab my parts and stuff from you guys.
Yeah,
So yeah, guys, let's just take a little bit of a peek around, but this is kind of some of the stuff that they have. So you got some, it's like molding hood kits. You got fender liners. These are sometimes hard to come across. These are R32 ones there. I recognize those. R32 engine undercover there. But yeah, let's look on the shelves. Let's see if we can find anything else. Look at all this stuff. Nismo parts, Nismo meters. Looks like a water pump. Just a bunch of cool stuff. Like this is JDM parts heaven for me. So to be here, like this is cool. Look, Nismo clutches just chilling on the shelf. R32, R33. Clutch covers. Look at all this stuff. Crazy. We got Nismo Link A-arm sets. So yeah, I'm very thankful of Octavio for letting me come here. I emailed Trust Kikaku or TKGT Cars about 2 weeks ago, reached out to him. It's like, hey man, I'd like to come tour the shop, I want to pick up some parts and do like kind of a walk around for my channel. Is that cool? And he got back to me, so here we are. But yeah, the shelving looks like it's bigger since Tommy was here. So they got CV axles fully rebuilt. These are made by this company, JCV. That's awesome. So they got BCN R33 ready to roll.
That's cool.
34s. Let's see.
We were just having a discussion on the way over here about how like
BCN R33.
everything on the car wears.
32s, yeah. So they do have a bunch of stuff in stock.
It's a ridiculous process.
Awesome. Look at that, just transmissions chilling on the shelf, ready to roll.
Steering racks.
Stuff is sick.
Yeah.
These look like some wheels. Got Nismo intercoolers. More transmissions.
You were gonna shop or?
Yeah, UP Durham.
Oh, right. Stuff that, I mean, I would have never thought that they'd still have access to like the little rubbers that go like on the trunk. You know
And it's crazy, the price is only like $50 for those. Like I remember when I found those, I ordered them from the branch in Japan.
Right.
And it was like $55 including shipping.
Right.
And I looked at Tacoma Nissan, they didn't offer the package. You had to buy each one individually. And it was like $150. It was crazy.
Yeah, that's another cool thing that we like to do is we set up like sets, like various little like, you know what I mean? Like we'll put together like a set of badges, you know what I mean? You don't need to buy the one, you get both, and we'll give you like a little discount on it if you buy the set, you know what I mean? Like, just like shift, like the ship rubber and rolls around and stuff, you know.
I was wondering, do you guys have for the valve covers, like the screws? I need like all new, the grommets to go around. I saw just a valve cover kit with grommets that you guys have, but I have the valve covers already, the gaskets.
Might just be the kit.
Do you mind walking me around a little bit and just like kind of showing me like what parts are what?
Yeah, sure. So we've got
Spend like a couple minutes.
Yeah, so this is like our like Nismo exterior type section. So we've got what are these like the little I think these are spats, mud guards, a couple like various little like fins and stuff. I don't know exactly what's in the boxes, just looking at the part number, but
Okay.
yeah. So we've got a bunch of these like
All these little
side markers. Yeah, little pins that you would never know.
little pins and pieces.
Like VinTag clips.
And you got the mirror.
Yeah. So yeah, this is where our like Nismo interior section would be, but we took a lot of it to ours day. So
Okay.
shift knobs.
Sold a bunch of it.
Yeah, like the door handle protectors.
And the actual spark plugs.
Spark plugs.
These are awesome. NGK Iridium, Nismo S-Tune. That's so cool.
Yeah, various motor mounts for different Nissan models.
I got throttle body Nismo gaskets.
I think these are fuel pumps down here, fuel pump kits. That's
Yeah.
what we just-
I'm glad I bought mine when it was only like $400.
Oh yeah, you got lucky.
Yeah. Bought it last summer,
Yep.
right before it went up.
Kind of wild. So yeah, a bunch of this is like Nissan Nismo exterior.
What's this Mines thing?
This is the, I forget which pipe it is exactly.
Oh, so that's a titanium front
There it
pipe.
is,
Yeah, RB26. That is
Right.
awesome.
Yeah, and these are the tower
That thing is
bars.
cool looking. Nice.
Yeah.
The tower bar you said, I think I got one of these boxes coming.
These are like sway bars, I believe, the stabilizers.
Yeah, I almost thought about buying a set. I just couldn't bring myself to do it.
Yeah, these are the carbon inlet pipes.
Oh, those are, yeah, I saw that on the, that S2 car that was at Top Rank yesterday had those.
Yeah, the Clubman Racer spec. What else do we have here? Fiberglass fender covers, Nismo seat covers. We got some glass, like various like quarter glass.
Nice.
For different models, you know what I mean?
Yeah, these are cool looking, all the fresh bushings and everything in them.
I know. Can you imagine the whole
That is
car?
awesome.
It's so weird to imagine that the whole car used to look just like that.
Yeah.
Like the whole car. That's what your Subaru looks like right now.
Yeah.
The whole car looks just like this, you know?
That was what was so appealing to me about buying a brand new car. Is everything's new and I know the condition.
What's the story with these brakes, man?
So that's a
Nismo seat covers.
brake kit.
This is my stuff here.
To fit on a 33.
So I got myself a dipstick and some hosing stuff. New fuel cap, just like little things that I needed. This is for the hood. I couldn't find this piece earlier along the like the front radiator support. This is the seal that goes along there. It's gonna look nice and refreshed.
Hang on, can I take that picture?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that gives you some sense of scale. How fucking gigantic those brakes are.
R35 brake kit. So you got 4 piston rear, 6 piston front. And how much are these? These are like
11 for the kit.
11 for front and rear.
Yeah.
That's actually not too bad.
I mean, look at the size of the pad.
Does it come with the brackets to adapt on, or is there a bunch of modification required?
So all that you have to modify to make it fit on your 33 is you have to cut the dust shield.
The dust shield, what about 32?
I'm not sure about a 32. I think
Probably
the
full
mounts-
knuckle
Can you take a
revision.
picture of this in human hands? Because that's how you understand what this
That
the
is
scale of the size of
massive.
the thing.
These are rear quarter panels for a 34. These are going out to Florida. I think.
And this is probably an engine?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Everybody's favorite thing to go.
Wow.
Yeah. So is this one of the engines that became available recently that like
So-
what is old stuff?
You can't buy these anymore. It's discontinued, right? It's quit building them.
So allegedly they're coming back, but I'm not.
I wish I would have known this stuff was going to be discontinued because I was thinking about buying like a spare head and a spare block for quite a while. I was like, oh, it's not that much money. You know, $2,500 get a block and a head.
I know. Like,
But now you can't get them
flawless
anymore.
Every like look at the front cover and everything. It's
Yeah, look at all that stuff.
that's so cool. So this likely
How
was
clean
built-
this oil pump is.
How long ago do you think this was? Any idea when it came into existence?
Yeah, brand new differential.
I know.
Right?
This feels like
Like it
aluminum
has
still
torque
too.
markings on everything.
Yeah, so this is a 33 N1 engine.
That's so cool.
And should I ask how much is it?
Right now it's listed on our site for right around $30,000.
30 grand.
Yeah.
It looks
No,
awesome.
You guys will get it, obviously.
Yeah, I
Because
need
it's
to.
totally worth it.
This looks so nice.
You can't. I mean, it's unobtainium, you know.
All the new plugs. It's all the hardware. That looks awesome.
Yeah, that's super cool.
Yeah, thanks for showing us. Even comes with the slingers too. I like that. Rear main seal. Amazing. I wish I could buy it. I have the money. Not for that one. Ooh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I think it's for 34.
And what are these Ganadors? Which models are these for?
So,
Those are R32 fog lights, right?
yeah, 32 fog lights
Okay.
OEM. These are 32 Ganadors, 33 Ganadors.
Oh, cool. And how much are these now? I know they've gone up quite a bit.
Maybe on our site 18.
18.
You use an impulse shift knob.
This ARC cooling panel is cool.
Yeah, for 34.
Wow, these magazines.
Yeah.
Which magazines are these? These are books.
Those are the GT-R books.
That's awesome.
Yours?
Well, guys, we are all done. We got a cool GT-R book, nice TKGT hat, got some bags, and then this is a Mines titanium bar. But anyway, thank you so much for the tour. I appreciate you having us here.
Yeah, super cool
And,
meeting you guys in person.
Yeah, check out TKGT Cars. I'll put a link to their website as well as their Instagram on the link down below in the description. But you guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.